Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Hello guys, welcome to Infinity Ahzee channel. Today we are going to start our spoken English class. Excuse me,
Yes, please.
what is your name?
My name is Rita.
Rachel, tell me different types of yes.
Thanks for your asking. Yes. Yup. Aha. Sure. Aha.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Excuse me,
Yes, please.
what is your name?
My name is Swat.
Suat, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And
I'm
you?
also fine. Please tell me different types of saying yes.
Yes. Yeah. Yup. Sure. Aha.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Excuse me,
Yes.
what is your name?
My name is Rita.
Roja, tell me different types of saying yes.
Yes. Yeah. Yum. Yum. Yum.
Excuse me,
Yes, please.
what is your name?
My name is Toba.
Miss Toba, tell me different types of saying yes.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Aha.
Thank you so much.
We fine. It's
Bye.
fine. Bye.
Excuse me,
Yes, please.
what is your name?
My name is Shami.
Shammi. So, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm also fine. Tell me different types of saying yes.
Thanks for your asking. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Aha.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Excuse me,
Yes, please.
what is your name?
My name is Maisha.
Maisha, tell me different types of saying yes.
Thanks for your asking. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Aha.
Thank you so much.
That's fine.
Okay, bye.